How to record video call on Snapchat without them knowing. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So recording of Snapchat video call without the person's knowledge or consent is not advised. It can breach their privacy, violate the consent rules and laws, and go against Snapchat's rules. Secretly recording someone is illegal in many places, especially in their private conversation like video calls. However, if you want to record a call ethically and legally, get their permission first. So first, in your Android, go to notification panel. You will see the option of screen recorder over here and turn on the microphone. Now open your Snapchat application. Log into your account. Go to the conversation or the chat page and start video calling by tapping on the video call icon in the top right. And once you're doing that, scroll from the top of your screen, tap on the screen recorder icon and turn on the microphone and start recording before the call. On iPhone, you can go to settings, go to control center, and then tap on add screen recording. Open your control center, then tap on record and begin the Snapchat call. To use the microphone, long press the record button and Snapchat might notify the other person if you screen record. So during video calls, this notification may or may not appear. Or you can also use another camera to secretly record the screen. Modify your phone to bypass the Snapchat protections. So if you need to record, ask the person first for memories, safety, or interviews. They will likely agree and you will avoid legal and ethical issues. So this was all about it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.